Exploring business strategy. Module learning outcomes. On successful completion of this assessment, the student should be able to evaluate internal and external environments and strategic options available to an organization to meet market needs and stakeholder expectations. Design a framework to resolve key business and strategic management issues through self-awareness, openness, and sensitivity to diversity in terms of people, cultures. Assignment objectives. 1. To examine the student's understanding of internal and external environments and the strategic options available to an organization to meet market needs and stakeholder expectations. 2. To examine the student's understanding of the strategic framework that will resolve key business and strategic management issues in an organization.